Dear Crown, Mammy phone in your own cacra. Now, cause you sooner messages, you sooner cause you sooner message. Oh, I do. You keep to a beer, DB. I was trying, you're far, Asidama Phoenix Insurance. So, I'm my answer. I wish you muno. Say, your tissue, your best sorry, again, now should be. A torrential Bremunu Bibia Boatiational. Wash us, Robessa, sorry. Or say you will rise again when disaster strikes. And not any Phoenix Insurance. And they only any claims from Otian and Tempana. It teaches a BB and CSC. Could create no Jinawachi. Policies, Bocho, fire, motor, accident, marine, engineering, bonds, needed more continent. And then you pen your digester, and TSC, and maybe I bareful. Which me fire short code you so now they are toll insurance policy. Star 389 star 79 star. What follow prompt no would them you. Or now actually I know afraid 0302 246 319 and I'll face 0243 690 492. Insure with Phoenix Insurance and experience a delightful service delivered with wisdom. Yeguswaya born Kaya said 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and now face 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected with iron deficiency anemia. A worrying situation. Back to you. A quiet bit me fast to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Very simple. And it's so bad in iron ashamuma. Contumere, abedru, liver, red meat, afe fish, shrimps, eggs, boko, alefu, groundnut, beans, cowpeas, afe green leafy vegetables, dibido, iron fortified foods, minimum to say, iron fortified milk, and afe iron fortified Q spices, and so it me a good sauce. Where did you really know what kind of baby fruits? Fruits are rich in vitamin C. It could be orange, pineapple, pawpaw, or mango. And no boy or body to me absorb iron nutrients in a word. You know, the enemy. Now, abwa. Yanyan kakra say ya ni to an iron deficiency anemia. Say if you are sitting, live strong with iron. Christmas abantem. Now, I'm abantem near Casaproco Company Limited. Oh, yes. Promotion change pa. Say go and what the other. And they weigh any the juiciest offer you can think about this Christmas. Better 1,000 packs of assorted drinks. Neji 100 packs free for coffee. Just like that. Promo more there. I shall say none what the 8th year. Netemwa the copy the 31st of December. Just say they are coach the crown there. Eti bomo dia so obeko ye kasa preko depo bia e ben wo ana so obeko all our key distributors across Ghana what the okwa yen products out do ni nyina including Awake mineral water ya. Oh yes, etubetimi ato air storm 500 ml water choco malt prima cola prima tamarind and now our multi fruity Toby. What you say? Okay, can you now bomb the 2,000? Near such 100 the account free. Ocean now to me my swear what dear friend? You try free delivery, baby. I will be the baby good pronoun. 050-162-074 and our face 050-156-2072. Share so set terms and conditions can why. Casa Preco Company Limited, a step beyond excellence. I feel by kind courtesy, Aquatap water purification tablet. Your boy Raymond on Facebook. Oh yeah. Now yashe ene videos of our time. My catch us send the videos of our time no. And one ye be jina so e de to ye hofo. It double do. Na mebo achrew. Na mebo mweti on the radio. But senka utimi aba Facebook wa na waba betie e wo ho a anka enum beboa papa esan se no obehwe na wasan aton ho ase yi na enkomo no I very simple e de amaye nyina bibi sunko e wo san komo imu a e beboa na aboa me asiedu Adom pre I say good afternoon Jerry, hope you are doing well. Yes, I'm good pa. Edufo Ballon I hope say dinners are say menu. I say Jerry, you are the best. Eric Andam I say thumbs up. And Gladys Night Tete I see you. I say good afternoon Jerry, listening to you live. Where yeah Ashiola creation. Yeah no what nungwa. Ye chicha mo nungwa na. Wilhelmina Edu. I say hello Brad Jerry. Hello Wilhelmina. Nafi Lavinia Obeng or say hello Brad Jerry. Rejoice Taylor hey the mukrebi your Facebook there or say all the Yubo and Taylor family we say thank you Lord. It is good to thank God as always. Oswald Gibbs or say amen. And then Michael Tete says, good afternoon, Jerry. Please. And I want to thank God for my life. It's good to do so. Gladys will say, Anto, or say, Jerry, welcome back. And do have a great day. You too. Shy guy, I hope say the name is but the spelling is not like that though. I'll say, good afternoon, Brad Jerry. And then Vida, Ezoma Muchia, Udinede, or say, Ameno, Lexis Body say, Brad Jerry ni you also unie. Atadri GH or say Brad Jerry, please today is or say today the motivational message is simple. We should always try to control our temper. I am saying this because of what happened earlier this morning. I don't want to explain it, but my message will be because my message will be long. Thank you. Hey. Jerry, good afternoon. Watching you live from Germany. Ify, Victoria, Rima, Ninchen, and Dubai. In fact, lots of messages coming in. Na say no. Na the video no about betuso. Me can want some kakrebi actual because me come and watum. Na I will let the video speak to you. Commentary na what video no. You need to listen to it. Wow, share our Facebook no. O share ni na uti eti enyame men na obetie. But for those of you who have money access to Facebook no, more no. Me born na mama radio no so. Eti ubete no wasum, but when you so de ehunu no, ati ase. Na me pese we e shon crime. Some years back, me refer the exact year. There was this young man oba Ghana ha. Abrante no ne nan mienu no enhye da ni papa emprumpru abi ne nsansoso ni ho ni din bi zevu ya chicho be something like that share kan ni din papa. But I was part of that event at our National Theatre. He spoke a lot. This guy can swim, he can do a whole lot of things. Bibi awebi it is so sano na bibi a ona say no dey be complaining sir jo na person saying this is another great guy. Now share no video mu obetai wanum sir. This guy only 9 ninsa waye kru bi sin bi sa keke ana oho. But the guy can swim, or yeah, we grad and swim, grad is all the pool now swim. He can actually dive. A cons you ask no names. I'm sure I'm one that always should ask no yeah, and your money are there. And what you know, would me drive it? Or say how? And near man, guy will be to me, and you probably bring one way and sunny and then now problem being we can't do those things. And there's a little history about him. And that is what I want you to listen. Na inspire when you be a debia now my excuses when I made the ubu one more. Ne papa dear bakubi or yeno, ne mamma dear bakubi or yeno, or dear Triana no sa better tears near Debbie or can. And young mammy uncle ye say ya, and young papa uncle ye say the of me, and can you Debbie, a true worry. Now you still have life. What are you doing? That is the thing. I want you to watch this video. Let it talk to you. Let it provoke you. Let it inspire you. So you can do more. As well as the Aquatas water purification tablet. A self-dissolving tablet. Microorganisms are always avoid waterborne diseases. Your Aquatas food safe and so on. Wako Krumakoto fruits and vegetables they are banned. Don't just wash them with ordinary water. Use Aquatas food safe for wash wina and kill germs and bacteria be on bia. Say be a mudia problem bia ema hon. They are available at chemical shops a hodum, supermarkets and pharmacies be na emu. Do do pa no one can free 020-907-7726. Kumasi form phrase 050-169-4275. Oku Fruity Anawa Frey 0244-593-381. Do be on Yebiano. Yeah, the best one. Jeko, for video no toso on Facebook. Nafi amount for and share video. Me pacha o channel.
In Indonesia, there is a guy with no arms and no legs, but he can shoot pictures, he can drive cars, and he can dive in the oceans. Who is this guy, and how the heck does he do it? In this small town in Indonesia, we found Zul.
Hai, saya Zul. Meskipun saya dilahirkan berbeda, tapi saya bisa melakukan apa yang Anda lakukan.
When most people meet Zul, the first thing they see is not his personality or skills, they see his disability. And it's not just other people, his parents did too.
Orang tua saya malu dan mereka memutuskan untuk membuang saya ke sungai.
His own parents could not accept his disability that he was born with. And his entire life, everyone looked down on him because everyone thought disabled meant useless. Sooner or later, that got into his own head. That's why when he was 13 years old, he tried to end the pain and kill himself.
Saya pernah memutuskan untuk melakukan percobaan bunuh diri karena saya takut menjadi beban mereka.
But one day, things turned around. He found a purpose for himself in the last thing he expected, a camera. Even though he has no hands or legs, he picked up a camera with only his arm muscles, strapped it on his neck, and used all the strength he had to press the shutter. And that changed his life. His pictures were really good, so good that people could not believe he took these pictures. He took thousands of pictures. He became popular on Instagram, and eventually he got a scholarship to study at a photography school.
Hidup saya tanpa batas dan saya bisa melakukan apapun yang saya mau.
So he went one step further and became a mechanic. He designed his own car and assembled it with the help of his friends so he could go anywhere in the world. It's a special car that only he can use, with a brake and an engine from a motorbike, a steering wheel from a go-kart, and he calls it his own Formula One car.
Dengan mobil ini, saya bisa keliling kemanapun.
And in the future, he's planning on conquering the oceans. He's learning how to dive just so he can take underwater shots and improve his craft. Think about this for a second. Without any arms or legs, this guy can take pictures, build a career, build a car, and learn how to swim in the oceans. Disabled is everything he is not. Disabled is the wrong word to use because people like him fight every day to stay alive. They are the most abled people in the world.
Look at us now. Look at you shine. We're not coming down.
In Indonesia, there is a guy with no arms and no legs, but he can shoot pictures, he can drive cars, and he can dive in the oceans. Who is this guy, and how the heck does he do it? In this small town in Indonesia,
na se wontu anamo bia onye hwe wa brabo mu dia eno de over to you Jolati. But Branti onisa eni or say at a point he decided to take his own life because now the situation said the tie no ohun se ni da so bi ani ba bia until one day and I saw camera no kwan yen dia no yes wa uni santo e no the force share ne kon no e na ultimate twa picture face hey picture wa twa nani da wa kama pass hey wow timuna na do picture twa na yes so the bened I feel be a person brand in twa picture or start uploading the pictures on Instagram and a boom a baby I feel the wire star now who the pictures are what you try stunning pictures and kasapa and now so ma yamana kwenya se omra mesua de a scholarship or disua de train shim ene odi ye wasetrem ama usua de ko nanim ono atimi develop ne car ono a ne nafofo ne bo ano ono atimi aye ono ane car a esitu no se de ote no simu odni kurubin sini simu sa no okwa no oba no okwa no oba otimi de ko ba bia ena se sei photography na wo ye na wasan ko school atimi asua ne mo no opese otimi ekọ a step further na otwa pictures underwater pictures. It is said there na ebinum your photojournalist binum won de ensua epoase ne ade no mo dive ko twitwa pictures. That is what he want to do next. It is say was started diving no etimu ana mo hwe video unze na wahye no ho hye eponase ho hwe ase ne ma na okura ne camera saa asese no so ode be ka ho onsa no na mienu ho bibia ya dwuma correct enso da bia wo blame obi ena we na mama ntimi akomanim ena we na mama ntimi ayesi ena we na ntimi ayesi ena duwa ne yi madi na yesi masa video in show on crying and start something kakra onso ma bepi mentra faako na emfa wonsa en show demri fam medewasi ya fast dama MTN and they walk off Yuba at the Aba. A more de new app cry town. All in one app for everyone. Yeah, we bet me a BBA or suit me a call, suit me chat or so you can play, you can pay as well. What I say? Oh, I'm checking with you. Oh, why Yuba no so no? What me send it? Sika the for MTN Momoso. Our brow chat with your vendors, any family, any friends near dinner, and you can also catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You can play music, listen to, music be up you play games near there, do so much more. All in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. It's a call Google Play Store and an App Store. Net download the Ayoba CCA, AYOBA. Now also with me I enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Ayoba are available to all networks, but MTN users there. Munya Konya to me use at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba at the Ama Dominion about powder. Abusia we and airborne where to me build a strong immune system. Now on iodine infections be a bowel system no be and no be fight against it. And some one normalize or blood pressure or heart or kidney related problem be answer. efio diabetes ni stroke ni ade nyina no ni nyina efio edema ye kanfo ede ama bomoden apɛ bi akira kwan pharmacy shops ni nyina mu ne herbal shops no mu enkran pa de dodo no na na bo ache herbal shop afi Hallows Herbal, King's Walk Herbal, Little George Health Shop Watermark 5 and afi Patch Ventures aho nyina akwa dodo bi onye bi ansa beka yes sir konkoko also hwe Angels Dominion Herbal Center numbers ni 0543 158 195 and afi 0249 591 843 na yedin komo kama Dominion Herbal Powder, your number one immune booster. Kel Kids toothpaste. And so a toothpaste I run a kama. Ediama and mofra. And young penny editrice and mofra and the issue. Yeah, the strawberry I want to kama. It's about Friday Trinity and the dead that's the woody toffee. And it's not a bonus and home by it protects it omogam, it prevents cavity, and mom was very strong and healthy with freshness all day. 2 to 6 years for no. Yeah, for Momuntri almost. If it's a Mara Company Limited, now FDA, I move you more to say a muye pa. Kel Kids was a happy smile. Afraid Ernest Chemist, NNA, on also a day number 10 liver salt. APIH. Opesa on saka fast and refreshing relief from stomach upset. Yeah, now you're from where you could be near the idea. A told us a duany of the engineer. O person ka o fe background so no so a money ade ade a wo fura yiri say kutu number 10 liver salt eno na a restore vitality a provide effective relief from stomach upset a ban nausea ne hyperacidity ne indigestion ne ade wase wadi di aduane tim grand digestive ne san jina bona ni nyina beko number 10 liver salt or say a refreshing relief. And a stop cough, and also for Ernest Chemist, sir. Oh, one hour bonny is stubborn. So here stop cough. Cold Nikata net one. So here stop cough. A trial fast and effective relief. Na bibia so etimi akoye e de amount. Stop cough range, you know, is suitable for adults, children, and for babies. Not just I am penny for there. And I dantem kuma phone. And I feel more front to fefe wa phone so. Ya yo mo de account. E pacho se kata na code bi. And I will be now bona koto stop cough. Now you soon na me ensa. Na one hunu improvement bi ade and then actually all the end there be you hun doctor. Sro bebre. Stop cough. Or say sa one na obono. Di betimi asi ano kwan na. And stop cough. Yada nyuma kwe nyina asese dane den na okurekure mu kakrakra na yekoye ni de omu ne se ye ba be din komo akra na abrantie honestly speaking me ni age no me say twamasum na no there be but I seem not to, you know, but o hide be din komo such a very young boy, you know, who is doing wonders. Now me de kumi won ho kra ne the confidence level. It is a boy no confidence, but obi anka small boy be say pra say ne papa mu push so do you go down with my bro, but it be so no until the boy they do wonders. Papa. Way it don't flow too. What did you come as open even on any casano? Let me say, or you want to come abuse and then you say, I'll call company sell pa. Now, when you're DB as one from show busy, you say a photocopy. Hey, that's a very crazy. So, ladies and gentlemen, photocopy, now, if you're na kwaba, now your name photocopy, Eddie Komaka. Photocopy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, also yes, sir. Now, and say,
But I say,
you see that thing, yeah. I'll call you a comes and say, oh, me, I also say, without service, me to say. Anyway, Miss me, where your pa. Now, how many years?
say I made maybe 8.
To see how the 8.
Ajay.
Look at that. At which age now start yes,
Oh, age 2.
Huh?
Age 2.
We are 2 years no now you say you can do music.
Pacha.
Wow. Enti hefana or strength e wo pa. E ba no say un say nwom no ebinom omoto omo sing ni ade ebinom so de rap ni ade e na omo so ye omo ho raga fo ni de kankan oh na de mu de emu de pa na ya de pa.
Yeah, Adom was singing.
We had the power singing.
Singing them, yeah.
Wow. Enti say na uko school mu a aya our classmates how mu say.
Oh, Saturday assembly bigo.
Ready is me. I bet assembly break. Enti omo say more classroom usua there, especially say bia edu time bi na o teacher ni class wona aka one o navofo no nko ha aya omo how adwin say bia tonwom omo ndi
Eno dey.
omo so tonwom sa eti omo ka say
Sometimes you see the cry no for some tonwom.
oh sometimes usua dey na ebi ni mo for say say tonwom eti abasa enwom na ya otomom
We e ba ni sa me twɛn.
sa o train on we and after school say omo ka say bia freestyle bi ni ade no mama me kakra ya de na mom aya no so enema skirmishes kakra ya o ma on ran fofo no ye kakra che and then so ye o mate with school ye kakra man
Dada, Papa, na semfrawa wumfa, washada, agenda, upeso tumi kuwa. Dada, Papa, na semfrawa wumfa, washada, agenda, upeso tumi. Minchio, and yet they'll come at ye. Minchio, and yet they'll come at ye. What have I got to do? What have I got to do to make that dough? What have I got to do? What have I got to do to make that dough? Nenebio, school phone in a coin. Nenebio, school phone in a coin. In Pabua, uniform, school bag, Nina Tete, Mijiska, Mihiska, Pesca, Papa, Mammy, Papa, I need that books, my science geography.
Oh, that is. All right, so we're vibing with photocopy. Yeah.
Agenda, peso to me kuwa. Dada, Papa, Nansem Frawa Umfo, Washada, agenda, peso to me.
Photocopy Jai, Mammy swimming Kebia. What kind of Mammy swimming Trimway?
Mentry,
what's the name?
And then they'll come at you. Mentry,
Photocopy.
and then they'll come at you. What have I got to do? What have I got to do to make that dough? What have I got to do? What have I got to do to make that dough? Nenebio, school for in the car. Nenebio, school for in the car. Pabua, uniform, school bag, Nina, Jiska, Pesca, Papa, follow me. Papa, I need that boots, math, science, and geography.
Hey, wait, class 2. What's doing all these books? How now? How? See, I'm confused. Maybe photocopy and Chebia, Papa, never fear. Sanya me buana se mi bedre. Nyau baby
October, November, December, Sana Kanyo. Teacher now, my meno, Sewa Bon. Oba Funka Sunkwa, now upon. Oshimi Tolin Kwan, Dada Mio. I feel you to me, classes will party at my phone. Classes will papa my phone.
One me. Let me give you the one me. Let me give you the one me. Let me give you the one me. Let me give you the
Hey, photocopy. What's up, your bad? And you have got to report me to your dad.
Said Abby, Papa Shambobi, Nanso El Coffee, Sakanya, dear Memobi.
Oh, Papa, dear, me need you. Now, I can't obey you. I can't do some only view. Photocopy now with you.
Says Jamu online, Shash upon in the car.
The end I want to know and cash.
Said Papa the Alan Cash, Rolex, Michael Boss. If you are so many boss, some will come to our force.
Charlie. You see, I could have you crank on that. Oko studio aye we sa kra no. Like in the studio or your crown and no phone but it don't flow pepe. Hey, 8 years. Now me cry me D8 cry. Now me head there cry. Photocopy. Anyway, photocopy. Now say me from social media so no baby. Say why a new song? What the new for? About one thing.
School debut featuring Shatawale.
School debut
Featuring Shatawale.
Why school debut?
School debut is a part 2 of Mijimi Do, and this time I'm telling a story of the importance of education and why every child needs to be in school.
Why every child needs to be in school?
Yes.
It's the way our kind now is captured in the song.
Yes, please.
Wow.
And it's a story.
A story.
Yes, please.
You ready? Oh, be kind story. Oh. Na. Eba saying ena one only obi anye sa anyo no ba Shatawale.
Oh, he called my team and told them he wanted to work with me.
Ono Shata ehu no.
A friend team and I'll catch almost say or person me.
I think for someone said a conversation call. Our friend team. I don't know photocopy team what I say. Oh yeah, no new team no vibe here.
Because I am catch him. So I'm catch him. Now me can say it be a group. Say me nije. And when me can say no say. I have been seeing my good works on the social media, so he said he wanted to support me.
Wow. From that point on now, where you rest assured said the shatter and casa can the day on your bay.
That's right. Mentimianda and I didn't know Mentimianda. And I didn't
and I didn't after only Shatawale Casayan.
And I didn't know Mandasa.
Wow. It is saying no line now I say education line now or the bay on so no.
That's right.
Wow. It's all class I.
She me 2.
All class 2.
That's right.
Yes. Class 2 was I say baby I don't know BC. What bring you? Okay. In school they be no said they all kind say all the kasa who the importance of education and why
every child needs to be in school.
It's all part no and our kind of sana na say Shatawale ne ono e ka honum sa no
say no me school de be me jimido no make a search papa say kata train papa anyhow 10% me go school and na continue me obai and na obesha me down say me go school. And I'm afraid Shatawale catch no. And I'm Shatawale free. Papa so catch no say Adena 1% Obama me ako school. And kasa yeah and then kasa yeah vibe on mobile be after them papa.
Oh za.
And I do school from brain.
More join on Facebook mobile study especially Charles Sass Ankra. Mimi Bizarre say at 8 no cry, na me cry me head no. Mo hear comment on there but say Jerry, you were doing mommy and papa. When I say that time you were there friends mommy. Anyway, so photocopy.
Yes sir.
Back to school no I ready like it's everywhere.
Yes please.
And so far how is it doing?
Oh, it's doing great in the market. It's growing great.
Ready is well college. Just as same your baby Sally behind us, I call be some question was already and come on, Papa and sign already. Just one as I run him ever since I'm releasing no. It is doing great on the market. Hey, oh, too much. I was trying to be a bet school de be a new one, a photocopy at the Ababonte, which features Shatawale na twaso but you knew come before we listen to the song. Matisa in line with this, no person will hear some school tour be near there. Boy, come on, what's something to say?
It's all about photocopy education and talent tour, and I'll be visiting.
Yeah, photocopy
education and talent.
Education and talent tour.
Yes.
Auntie.
And I'll be visiting schools, helping kids on the street through education and any other means.
Just a wash I said that.
Oh, dada.
Uko schools no. Any unko kasa.
Patrai.
Etu kwa o de fa sa wa ba Justice Academy. Etu ba e dey asem na aka che school for da futu be na ade mom.
Me dey my lucky say me papa bia. Like he can take care of me. Nti kakra na me wono.
Yeah.
Say me no moche.
Chesen tu kwa mom items so ko chom ade so kan. Oh wow.
I'm books, school uniform, school bags. Ne me feed you mo kakra.
She. Wow, enti so far best schools do do ben sana. Wa visit
5.
Be 5 schools.
Patrai.
And you are looking forward to doing more.
Patrai.
Wow. Okay. Charlie, that thing over me, therefore, you over me. Photocopy, you hard boy. But yeah, now that there are lots of musicians that almost share to us in some of them, it has been their dreams and compete me someone like Shatawale to do a collaboration with. But in fact, what I say, and you are fortunate enough what me and Shatawale to do a song with. Yeah. So now going forward, you share future now. Wine BM now so say unya kwenya na anka one ne beyenyum aside Shatawale.
Sakode. And hey, shout out CTT.
Hey, Sakode banana. Everyone shall say a chance no. You ready? Ba ma gijina yo na. Obe petro bi ato banana. Photocopy say man shall see there. Hey, unya ne papa ne benyum. Ba ne ba no de ocha no.
Fianso me the boss. Sato.
Hey, photocopy dey say baba. Anyway, yentie new ana or the abano School de B featuring Shatawale Nafi Yemrana Yemera pay up.
So what is going on here? Metia Virginia will travel more force. Now let me cast any house any out there. All because you see you want to go to school. After me fear Virginia, whoop-a, go school in a nation.
School
Education be key to success. Oh, if you're picky, feet and doctor for you. If you can pilot for you. Lawyer for you. For you. For you.
You know, say, you know, so that me I'm proud. Oh, mommy goes with you. My baby, I'm so damn proud. You know, say, you know, so that me I'm proud. Oh, mommy goes with you. My baby, I'm so damn proud. I do what I do, and I'm me, I'm she me for say my company so. I do what I do, and I'm me, I'm she me for say my company so. I do what I do, and I'm me, I'm she me for say my company so. I do what I do, and I'm me, I'm she me for say my company so. School the be, roll the ball. School the be, roll the ball. School the be, roll the ball. I know one message for anything. Papa say one dream of me.
Wow.
School the be,
And that's Cool to Be.
roll the ball.
New joints from the Star Boy. Photocopy. Featuring Shawale. Whoa, whoa. Honestly, the song they be. I don't know that school they be, but this one the music they be. They be who are sound there, come on. And collaboration. Who said Eliana wow cassette a story. What shout to me say story now can it? Oh, kana shut up so be can the parts in here then. E asabo papa to me say bibia they have come pa. Nice one. But who produced this? DDT.
Yes.
Whoa. It's nice. Good job done. And like you said earlier, available baby. How about the video?
Yeah. Support everything.
The video too is out. Maybe
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Man for Belco YouTube now. Okay, so just tell them no one costume.
Okay, I'm everywhere and YouTube, and the name is Photocopy. FOTO copy COPY.
Oh, photo no and FOTO. Na tietia. The photocopy.
FOTO.
Okay.
COPY.
Yeah. Photocopy. Charlie, I love you. You just can't help but love photocopy. Yes. Star Boy Photocopy. Nice one. And see, photocopy. What catch I'm here who say unya collaboration for fra a bit me for or be decide on the idea. But not the on collaboration and bisa. But looking into the future, a day beam na Ghana phone sharing infi photocopy and chain.
Oh, almost support me. If they support me, more songs are going to come their way.
Hey, question I baby Sunny now. I might do to say, hey, Nigeria, small will go be Sunny in future. Tell me how they are doing. Answer for a dear mammy. We should keep supporting you, and when we do so, more songs. Oh gosh. Why? Photocopy. Say social media handles well. Okay. Fatu Ghanaian sorry.
I'm everywhere, and the name is Photocopy. FOTO copy COPY. Photocopy. Thank you.
Okay. Me see a real call, but we the mommy miss out. Yeah. Say music career yeah. What for the atom and how are you in your studies? So how do you balance it?
Oh, first of all, when I go to school and come back home, I copy a little note. Then, as me, if I go to school and I can't copy the note a lot, I write it in a sheet of paper. When I get home, then I copy it in the note. Then I go and show it to myself that I'm done. Then I'll use the note I copy to do my homework. So when I do my homework, I do a little study, a little bit of music before I go to bed.
Does he say what funny? How I be na ready issue? 8 years.
Yes, please.
Really, I still think plenty. Why? Photocopy that for a best share be one. Now said now my titi shouts on the other no. When you know open again as him. Now girl be a new class while open as him. Hey, said my girlfriend. Hey, photocopy. that's so bad. Why? Now, one mama star visa or Mike. Yes, so anyway, we wish you all the best and we will keep on supporting you. Why? Say, Beya, we bet me across one why more. Why? All right. Hey, Asemunye. Atiefo. Oh, Debbie. Say Scott Brana around the world, and the idea. Abusia young careful Goyle higher grade fuels amount. Fuel papa proven and accepted. Yes, tried and tested. Nah, I know any fuel most suitable for all engine types, including the latest vehicles with the most modern engines. In addition to such superior qualities, Goyle higher grade fuels on your 12 45 in a feather with the XP3 additive, multifunctional enhancer, and make it more efficient, eco-friendly. Now you turn no extra cost. Yes, you turn at no extra cost. 80 months count there. You want a Super XP on 95, and you want Goyle Diesel XP. The two car engine used to be a no turn sooner than the Gumboko. Available in all Goyle fuel stations across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So go on and choose Goyle high grade fuels. Baby, Goyle, good energy. Goyle. Yeah,
Education be key to success. If you're picking feet and doctor for you, feet and pilot for you, lawyer for you.
I was trying to go to ourselves the classroom project. You may be a coffee out to your home. You may be a partner, Miss Damakuma Sopa. Tika cracker crabby, a bay, a near the big crack to Moania. In your boy Piazza baby to me a queen me. Also, bet me to Kakra about Sum. Near any Kakra cradia coy anymore. I am a hard dream so school phone collaborative classrooms are Dana Bubu at the tap and some cry. Omotimusia denam from a Kuka Krakana ebedio. And so the Yamuna pedad in school New York. Cause you so top a disaster. And that's not how it's supposed to be. Yentimiani Nasunga Banso. Internet the multimedia group. Edisan Shiaba. Star Ghana Techre. The classroom project. Hashtag give for change. Give for change. Betmidika Kra Ato A Mumu account email 059 303 8832. That's 059 303 8832. Edina was no a Joy FM. Open the Far Bank and so I Access Bank. Account number no 0090 54191. Branch code is 009 and our Swift code no ABN GGHAC ABN GGHAC. Which is our friend a ding come on 0302 216 540. The Classroom Project, promoting social justice through philanthropy. Abusia baby I do ya bebo remna. Get around the world in 5 minutes abro. Make us say Scott at Nasa. Enti yanko yenim. Say wawa. Back in the American quick. Ofie yourself from one about the ride, man. Say, wow. Bra Jerry. Akwaba minia.
Ye ni abrapeni.
Na what to say?
Nyame adom dia ke ni enya kura ko ka kire wan.
Ebe ye. Bibi abe fine.
Wa sa so ho ye de.
Adom ni ti me ho ye pa.
Abrante na ko mu se fen se meka mo se meboa.
Yeah de.
We di 8 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And a man mo pe mi mo mabo me. Erade. Mumpa de. Ewiase. Radio Ewiase da no yamfa ma Jinifu. In fact, makacho se bronya ba. Kotu bi. Wodi bi gu fie na wo ton bi. Omoniama no so eye quality. Enye kantan fra niama bia.
Okay.
Ti open dodo etu a se na de bia.
Kantan de.
Kantan fra.
Okay.
Open dodo etu a. 0540 108531.
Okay.
0540108531. Genie food or say me fie no. Too much. Now we dey papa na yeto. Into business ebeko ye. Fa woni chiro mo or send fa number no na frɛ wo mo na kotubi. And there area enumre yi. Me pese me ka asem chire Ghana fo. Brother, common sense is like a flower that does not grow on everyone's garden.
Okay, and great.
Yes.
If
you are dating an ugly girl, in fact,
now ugly girls no. How much is that?
Oh, so una be hunu. But
mami example. To say sense that.
Me for be example. Me mo. Kabebre oba me mo. But unim. If you are dating an ugly girl, in fact, Bradbury, it's not easy. It's not easy. Intina mana mwa mujituza muonya fedo. Mesra mwa munya hu bibi mai. When your mom say, don't marry her, my brother, listen to advice. Witches know each other. Witches, they know each other. Intina sa uma meka chiro say, Kwabena oba we men ware no me pacho men ji na chinje. Men ji no echinje
because
which is know each other. Your rate meal ya ma na we di. You realize oh na ye ekom na na ma wo dwene sa foolishness. Okay. Brother, when me say a good sexual intercourse has made a lot of ladies confused. They keep going and coming like ECG. Minchira same way. Minchiri. Me dear. In fact, some of them they are very.
What? I am Pansu.
As my makeup is a mini fat. Me say, a lot of sexual intercourse has made a lot of ladies confused.
And yeah, a lot of good one. Yes. Good ones, no. Hey, am I confused? They keep going and coming like ECG. As some way, brother, mean chemu janju basiwa. Muna mingo chem na minyasa. Yentu kwa nkaka. Ya weni.
Na unim say Tunisia. Demonstration be cause. Emom related.
No.
Aye, na
okay.
Boni
wo
woman.
Adabi.
Oh, yeah. Enti no sisi ameno ka se on dia wa enya media but amount do na so na ase o mo prepran kakra ba ye bon pa say ewu no apart from young man ne de e bi entre biem isan say baby aye do ne de yesre enti ye demonstration om koye ya tear gas tutu ba mu na akwa fasa oye nei aba Bradbury UNICEF research bi aba wo mo kire say 240 million children are omoye disability ena ewo eye Africa per se na omo chira they need our help papa esanse womo no unse ese ye mo special treatment esanse ohwe ne colleague Bradbury one ne eye tipenko na nipa ne yefu no sebe ye wo no na bia sei na obeto anase impo no ba ati asefo asase isu na obenya asade ya aya na ha twene eno nti no mo kire se census no mo de aba ne de eno ne ade a wo mo ehunu nti ne ya ombesre it means say omo so mo do so pa nti ne ma ye ni nya den enko
okay
but you say what ye ni
but why
mo
Yeah.
Dr. Congo, when he was presidential jet, after 5 years, I think I returned free Spain.
Oh,
I said, I could say, oh, no, maintenance, no one is going to and I feel no one is going to Jafina, Abba, and your crochet, Osebo, presidential jet, Abba. Okay. Omo maintenance will Spain, Omo in yes came to 5 years. 5 years. I feel no much me. Who bewitch Africa?
Yeah, that pan, yeah,
oh, Brother Remediasi.
Yo.
Now, let me tell you something.
Okay. Okay.
Once your partner finds your replacement, every conversation turns into an argument. Even your smile looks like COVID-19 symptoms. Oh, man, I'm catching it.
Can you go over it again?
I'll come.
Okay.
Me say, once your partner finds your replacement, every conversation turns into an argument. Even your smile looks like COVID-19 symptoms.
And you're not a
jija. Nobody has died for being single, but many have died for marrying the wrong person.
No correct.
And let me educate you.
No correct.
Brother but when you say some ladies have been raped by native doctors in the Malams, but they can't say it because they can't explain what took them there. They can't explain. Oh my God. They have been raped by them. Or they are saying who the ultimate because who can baby sasa na who then when you say Krobi watching more than your friend KJB. Na just say what can
na no ada ko bi so ko here mu obisa ya hu KJB
why one can some na fumi oboa ombisa yi
it was kind am so the only KJB I know is in the Volta region.
Ombisa me say o ma mu watching more than no mu ayo ya say watching more than your friend Krobi KJB na just say brother who can na wejebi French ni be catch you say je vel
capel
na just say brother who tete say den
ye becho macro ye da say I will just say Scott in a can order around the world in 5 minutes every day. And to us, happy birthday, Uncle Emma Modica Amponsa. Oh, yeah, Shaman Motorway Total Service Station. Wishing you long life and prosperity. And this one's coming from James Nana Afo and Chain and our Odemau area. I was a traswa now I get test sports and I had a trasso. But my man wearing features say a Go TV Super Alan de Pa. Oh yes. The night finally I landed a Go TV Super package. The freshest, the newest, and the latest member of the Go TV packages. Now Go TV Super package, more than 60 world-class channels all day, every day for the whole family. It's your gentleman there, and they Go TV Super transforming Omufino into the best arena in the world with the WWE channel. Now your mom and also the only there. The Ombesha now want get emotional. It you ever explore Aquaba magic with exciting shows like Dede and our face Sankofa. Why enjoy lots of movies and soaps. Our African Magic Urban and our face TL Novelas also and our rock channels no so and our Novella Magic. And then you can also watch the KIX channel and also on their corner there ben now. And my friend Mumu. On bet me as you are there Joe Mania. Away blue Boomerang and our fake Cartoon Network and Disney Junior, our fake Da Vinci Kids, Nina Ejiramu Den away Go TV Super package, so you can also make your home the center of exploration. Ewa bra, or share National Geographic, that channel on me Philip Bruta. And for those of you mono BB fire Pan-African lifestyle and entertainment we'll be tuning into the Honey channel. No who they are calling their Ben now. Go TV Super. definitely got you covered. Etiman Sanka will Go TV decoder today. 89 Ghana cedis only. With me topping up with only 49 cedis. Now I enjoy all the mind-blowing content on Go TV Super. Go TV. Love it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on that note, Yebema and Penifua Kasa. Now yet me Alberum. Now yet I get a sports at Waso. Who knows?
Well. Please, Irrigated Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated Sports. A papa. So listen to Irrigated Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
That's all. And what you know? And I am Kumchacha Etwaso Amayan.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Na debia miti Irrigated Sports. There's no day minti Irrigated because miti manage na me stress
Serian sumuye papa. Emuye brutal. Over.
The open program one denisham fast sports one. Irrigated Sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The FM is John.
Good. Kwame Akwaba. Na empomu te saying.
Jana do me tempo anu di na je say etia wiem.
Ye de nyame ase. Emeyo.
Kwaku.
Akwaba.
Ya ma Josu kwaku.
Na what is saying?
Boko na ECG for ni me di asembia o matade na me sheba adwuma.
Na atade ai.
After crossing radio.
53 days.
Eh omunya ne saa ma.
53 days na dey.
Me nya akane a o ma say matidua na me watermelon.
Ode watermelon kaka. Me nkwankura me kohwe egu e wa hwe so.
Atidua de ma. Ene watermelon na say.
Atidua ne de.
Beans.
Sa ne fe no. Kwaku ni di ba ko.
Misi beans o sa si di ba ko. Na fe me zanka di.
Atidua
say ye dia stew no. Sa ne fe na atidua beni. Kama mi atidua beni.
Odi sa ko ya.
Twini bo ha no mo buo ba ya. O mo say eje dan twini be say no. O mo kan news no be bre ho a ya no mo boa.
Atidua no so me boa.
Atidua ne di abene ne.
Radi.
Kwaku. Na no ko hin na wa.
Na abene no so ye den a adu abene abia no so ye den so ye den. Adu abene do amia. Quick one. Me go Togo. I go Togo. Me go Togo. Now you don't for border, no for play. Me see me go Togo. What I say? Yes, border you be ntimi go. Mami to check. Mami enye yi ka check. Eche ne so won. Eche we mu odu na. Na go to hwe eche no ano. Na ntimi to check we se si ara bi. Me nua ba charity ben. Say enra. Na na wo action in na ko so. Me we share no but and then no. Kasem ba ko kamu ama fa ama no ntimi de wo so de ama no se enkwatenten eska wo mu no enra ma nya kwan fa nka ho ama no because se kwaku se wunyi na ska ni ho a ya later me ama ba be ron me de ama charity ben
se wunyi na se unisika ya pa san se enema bi bo ho a abrantie betimi aye anya duane adi akwakoda ntimi nye kwakoda se be kan de hoti ase anti no nyankopon ma ni nyi nche na onyi nso no o masika empa ne nsem da ano ho asem no wa hu che na atu na ensem no dos
etidi o mu ne se mi tu che na echi me ba
se o timi catch radio so san wa no from da ho
eche na me kan so
so kakra bi ade o be kakra he ye be point this year
adwen bone na o mu diri mu dia
eche okay kasi pani okay se nyiche kana sa 4 times pani okay se nyiche kana sa 5 times
pani okay se
nyiche pani okay se nyiche pani okay se nyiche
na kasa nyiche na ere kasa
enyi eche
kwame me keka bo mu sa no ena he
Uncle Penhans Bank can no more.
Mami to be chana me come anim ne dia to
na.
Enti me to check ese pa ai mu hwam. Emfa ema assistant superintendent of immigration. Mr. Eric Smith of the Kutuka International Airport. Me to chairman pa ASI Smith. Me to chair the mano. Openi me chia na nyame onhia pa na onye okese kama pa na fe kutuka ho na no me fan chia sonko Emma Mr. Asante of Customs Division of the GRA Kutuka International Airport. Mr. Asante aka Kentak. That time to chama one moduma for na office oni na me checha mu nyina awie. Nyame kam ho na moduma pa mo ye no. Mo koso ana mo adwuma kama pa.
Ani akwaku. Wawie ni sa no ma me fa happy birthday. Happy birthday Emma Mrs. Mary Ajiman. Mrs. Mary Ajiman o kaswa. Ai ma me ene no onya 50 years papa. Kaswa utames no. CK man kesi na se me mfa ma wawie nti.
Ma me no ordinary wo. So ma me so no ordinary but ono de ono awu.
Oh kafra. Kwakuna
11 fee na 15 fee na my birthday.
Oh mama.
Me birthday.
Okay.
15 day. November ya.
Okay.
Now you do birthday.
I feel the entire back kwakunti. Say me kra no me near de kasa ma careful to say afima me we match so. Say period ni say da nware sa.
I feel anka say dwan ntem dodo.
There be o. Akwaba.
Yadwo.
Say bia boko. The omuni na say the enti ayehu say ayesa no unse afi na aye sha ase no na ne ho ye bede ye ho afi covid ho o na covid ye hwa nu gaka ye be say etiano no sa na na mu sa na ye hu ya na je say ye ne ye kro
na ye to abawie na court ba mu so ya na afi na etia
court no so tika
2013
attention ina
but afi we dey kra dey anche sa o ba ko no dey wan twije
the vampire said the next election bia no ye court
onye so ngo bi o
so bunye bi mo
say court
when nya daje
say aya na de otinchen na ya ota kokoro
but this time around
when say afi one time
o me ni na police station
yeah court no ya no hu za na de ko wo ko wo so bo ankrata no
ya du ne hwe kra di kwa kama say dile court
ayi ni
no wo de ko na sa na ko sa ba na sa
di kwa so be dey do or die
ana ko sa ba na sa
o ti ko di court oni
ene na chobo
DJ as a boy say ni abro na
I'm say no be better haka
oh before so be kan before front Nana Kwasi wo Amsterdam okay no Ghana ha no pamade nti ne friend Knack fashion say Nana Kwasi no twa so ye Knack Knack fashion yes o gidi pa Ashanti region de na Knack fashion onye ni paketwa nyame adoma o kina na ye na woda nti me wish Nana Kwasi happy birthday e wa Amsterdam abonten
e ho nyina opamade no
dabi
ade na Ghana fo no wen cross border pa wen duma no
o man no
place bi anya no de ko enye adwuma na o ye ha no de ko
na project di bibi le ko
nti o koduru ho onya bi nye
dabi e do ya papa e mani sika papa enye tailor sa
dabi o na no ko pa no ho adem ko bi shop no
o dabi ba abobia so opam na pam ni ya hu
sika sika pa
ade pam sika o mu
opam ade e wa brochi na sika o
ye yina ha 10 15
ata it
20 euro
and right now we say me do na security man friend me say ada na yes na me say aye den o say yes obi ware na yes o security man obi asa free na ti ya ka so security wa brochire pe na krofo nyina pie ba
de wa fa ba de kokomlimlim o se min kan so so at so nkra de a o me say asema o kan no ana romati ti fare join da bra na o
wa bi ni ho me pato kokomlimlim mo shop from na me tu ni din kokomlimlim mo e da wa kuma eti ade na wa ko kaseti o me PR ma kokomlimlim mo ala na we sa de
CEO se min kan se
enra mi ni wo no o to bomb mo
oh
ade na we sa
mo ho mana o mo se
o be jina yi si Friday pro mu bia ni ade no ansema unse ni team ne ko form a obese da ID nchen ko mo saa oba
CEO asana se men kanjira o se o da be na ba ho se obeji
da be na ko kokomlimlim mo so ko bia de afa ma
first fa na oba e na o ta ajije ni se ska ba onse mi wajai
o fa ompo wasa be jina radio so be ka se o ye
omunim do na
kokomlimlim ane asama bi kanya me tse sai na imre
ti ka che CEO asana
Israel kwaku anura na oni ha na blaster listen bae ni pa ya hwe hu se wen betimi asi akan aboa Ghana ti e mo ko akosi akan so ya we se akan sie mienu na da yanim Ethiopia twere yamfe na eye South Africa boy chese mi stro South Africa match no esen Ethiopia
me so no Ethiopia de na me
that is me me am adventure but kwaku quickly ne me fa eye rantia e do mo ko akoti sa akan se pate de wo prenti no party ntimi my asad now
ntimi party
ntimi party aya
manufacturing you good pa
yeah goalkeepers no yede Joseph Wakot ono free
nya Wakot to
Walcott unim say so far no pɛ obi a minim say friends out minti edini bi obi a papa
Joseph Walcott
Fenton Fremi say opinion
when they so no an manufacturer there
what have Fenton Fremo
and I say e wo ha e jeda nyo obi din sa de ye emrane
say me say kwa me say na twi news we bi enfa bibia nge
de ye emrane
ade a wonim na no say ni ho
no so pena bi ka ho
asema kwa TV
o kansa bi wo hono mo a obi ka onte da nti wadwen ye o say ni ho bata ho
ebi wo tu so ni pa ko ne boa
o mo ase ni
wadwen ye o say tiwe wo yesa wo hu na de wo ti ade fofra na wo su na o de account de ho
so yesa wo hu na de
eh bro fo ko fo dis na no ahwe
enfante ka say ye obi won mo ka onte asemo
go mo afo no
obi betimi aka fanti be ka say Spanish es no fanti no ka
enfante ka sa no ka sa na tie so uko gina mensia no mu di asem ne ye puto twi pa twi do be ka no wa ha be ka say
onti ase eso na
otumfo mra ne ye o mo boyi
mo to no we
twi ka sa pa no mo ka ho but ya nkyerɛ wo words no one by one dem say ye call otumfo ma me yi no na man bi be gina no o kyekire mu first one come say
but the make us say odi ehemu nso a kwakuni uka South Africa say
oh say
already different
yeah na kwa ma missing link say na do ka kire nyina no wo boa but you ni missing link
twikasa no say wadwen ye adwuma na wadwen mu do a wa utimi de bi ka ho
that's what I'm saying
emma entiase
dabi say even English language crown embellishment wo dabi me the English na kasa crown no say the whole can sometimes we come both bi na de
ka sem no mistake ni we
timi kasa de
ona say brofo kasa ye
matamata
ni ma bebre
if ba was new west ba yes queen ni etia na ba ba ye
me see esusu ana sana no mo
because uni me no nya nim say ye kire school dem market ne kire ye ene ye see friend machete
no dia
me boa
kwaku Lawrence Atizigi
oda so boss ko na mo boss say who can the kwakwa ne say
o give enough Nuruddin
keepers ne say
enti dia biem na afaso
kwaku afa Richard Atta our glorious Accra House of
AK Hotel
say eno ana na obeso kan ro
also aka aye goalkeepers
AK Hotel
adino eno na mo warning say enye se kwaku ofidie so America South 7 and fata say obema obi din abra o ma ho kwase mani
o ka so mpa e beja
na aden o ye ne kasa ma fo
wo school teacher din beja e say ya keeper ya tu di house on tiasi
ya bi o teacher
ni mo ye du hotel a
o na ye ne kasa ma fo na
edi we ma we wonsu so
na waton kra dia fa so ana
o man say di no I don't rebo bogi pa oda ko ma Accra so foku no o man di so hotel
I do be hotel o nya na
we ka hotel na ne ba wa bi
ni obi osun no tem
keeper enso mfon
wo kra na no be ka say mu ye du
ko bi ka so ayo hotel Indika ebe to gana for description me say ebe to gana for
ye ko hotel la obi ebe say ye keeper kese na owo mu no me say players ye ko onyo ho na so
bi nyoro
mu da sama mo kana e be free ko so na ka ho
league ya ye go to league ya boy nyina keeper so
Kwame
kwa kuskwala
Kwame
bobo
o member but beta what you through why
but ka tom say you fine
hotel na enye fine
Odo so kitani di on dey go what as here abran tedi the hotel
e friends eh did you angasa say
ni ko guna ni di na maba ma say
your friend is saying also say maba ma
very nice
very beautiful name
ata na say ata
spell it no me ata there be spell no me ATT any ata any ata eno na ya with the TH no
ata
Richard Atta
with Richard Atta
aka
hotel Richard Atta aka Atta hotel bi enu bia emu am
kwa kuna minute no the defenders na dey be no go for
okay
na
bobo wo has folk player defenders na kotoko player
abo hotel
na to go da ja dru so anu abo dey be tuma bona ma
they say the other aba no
kwaku dey be tuma bona ma abo no ni pese be ko ba bia
it's raining to ko hinzi
they say be Tracy that wale ni IGP so kwaku
the league who has them they say why man say unka bi
dey ba ka che o na uti ya doso Usu akwanya. Esu de opese okano waka de me pena me kai kwa kwa.
Ene waka ba kwa wi mo bi so nka bia na wasa sen kwa na da.
Obi bra.
Ma memfa glass na wako nsem rai. Won kan de am de no an me ka
say kuta no so say ya. Ajuma we de an kan na nke yi wadi o. Story about
what is it? What is story?
I watch multimedia code of ethics na.
I don't onibi. Our
me free am go HR from print. Our story. Top story no what is so.
Top. Our top story.
Player what team sika up to now more league. Yes registration kwa mutu.
Ai, say about yes we say o mutu ma obo. So he has you so Olympics player onim.
Also I ready so so.
So mutu ma obo.
To jina hino kan asem no. Na jina how to for camp ana.
Ojina bonten.
Kwa kudemi ka oti ase.
Ojani onim ho.
You are playing league, you are playing stars.
Kwame, player na confused that. Also on the adventure see I can say. Was it Enra na say?
Okasa wa sempa kra ne.
Address it to.
Enra I read it.
Yes, about me statement.
Me on Twitter.
Your friend say Great Olympics a troll letter kwa koma GF say contract how many has signs clause 5. Has to folk a breachy. It also mo kwan omo Great Olympics kwan no mo register.
Unim say me ba
has to focus what troll statement. And so the akwa reply the Great Olympics can say e won say omo breachy
omo admit e
omo entua the player nankasa so issues bi a e so mo hwe no mo ka ho asem eti player nankasa say ohun ba bi ogina odika
because I don't need to refund the 50%
before Kwame before refund December budget Kwame now when you have been to refund when refund yes Kwame
we dey tell my oil refund
so there Kwame ansana refund December abeba mu
refund na okay refund na
refund me use refund me can refund oh statement now omo issue yen even on Twitter no abra na me people omo admit sa clause no na omo je on tumu
na
the way na man for bash am say na tumu mo sa na
boy komodo no den rough
na man for the super say na dey suban supra bi onu asase
say ye can on moral grounds yes a man so asem ye can ye Olympics also munya abotre
only case
Dabi what
Olympics no so some dey abo case ye can man so some
one ye can man so dey am before
ye can say man so dey abo case
nim dey na ha mo ntimo ko sa contract no
e ba ye no o sign ni wie no o mebo obo mpo ma team no
enti afei ehfa ni
so hu
ehfa ni edifo no
sa contract na mo kwa tu se mo ntia
kwaku asem ne say team bia no wo krom ase ya
yes and dey ho
onni obi kan
dey ho
even Messi at a time of Barcelona Netika sem wo
no cre
le no Messi ankasa o anya
Messi
I 4-time all best
yeah
what is here kwaku
odi all best world best na kana say
baby 4-time all best
you know best okay man
me hu the crowd person ye ma hu pass
One-time all best setting.
Why you asking quality all best na dey?
Kwame, Kwame, o akonya Sandra biem. Ko Sandra biem. 4-time biem.
Football na ye no.
Dabi. Kwame, 4-time one.
I am not coming.
Sandra biem.
Lawyer near Ojina court there no.
6 times no aji o.
What is 6-time all best there?
I mean can say football a business. It's a radio
Kwame. What did you move?
Radio no business one aya na say prosecute.
Na ana ye be kasaba kosituma advert la kwaku ye no.
Ya say this caro na gan.
E na bi dey je ka boso no. Kwaku team bi ani ho a kotokoti we say yi. E ko hom records no. Place bi o kra da so jom kai.
E jan share any teams ne ye.
Kwaku contract ne say ye betua 50%. Na ye ma October. Say ye be say
15 for say.
Ye betua 15 na aka no. Sika no ema ye.
Ti say ama fashion
ama sana se ho.
Ama dia
contract no null and void
ye did
contract no say sada na me ne mo aka say metu esika no say du no me ya contract na share
say to me for player no back
edu sa time no na aboko gina park so bobo makra hat of folk and ye pon ba fie and am say da bi because sa cross no one ntina wa ko free hot dia mo free en chan kwa enonko
if you nyansa no kan za
so we be nti see sign no
o mo bo nti
they will play to make a say what that was so that born to a free camp
ne tia no so mo nka
kokwa so ka
tia pam so sentu kwa mi ti
o ba hana
me pam cho just a minute kwaku me ba me be beat na assembly kwa me oti hoyi oba adwuma wie na okodu fia oso da hu na mo bi tata o sa but da wa ma adwuma no wo da hate hwinsi na ya wa bi se ne obema ho na wo twi bi atre fia wo tira fia na wo twi na no hwiama afi wo se week we dia me se ba adwuma na we wo ba adwuma ato so every day dia na se ba e dia na be
football is spiritual
what are you talking about only pan wo se abi bi ko ye mana
okay kwaku he has never kicked a ball for Accra House of Folk eti
on kiki no
o take camp work keke no o kiki dia se
ko na mo manza
o mo ball house yende ye keep on the couple blaster no wu
otele
amu ma so ya de mo nya sem na ko apo eti kwaku kasi we de e nra ne se ye do ye nya ho asem ka se olupisa ayi ta so se oba ja wa kwa on fa ne nko e be then the court will decide
leave on gazo mo jinu
afade
almost say sikara manti me ntuanti no
contract na wu
me dey born na me catch direct say player so me ye o say ya say ni mo antimi wu a atete wo
me boy no ya me mu ni sa sama kasa ho but asem na
e be ma boy na kwa kwose eyine ta enda no oti ase ya me ya Adom a 27th me kama na to awa ko se ye ko work
I get your health.
Yeah. 27
yeah. Ope bia tete na pomu a. Oma be kan ye de obi a ntu aduro. So ti ase work ya ye koi. Emu da ho agese. Obi a ntu aduro. Wi kro be bibi kakra no. Ne edidi. Mo akoda din no da e.
We work we no lot serving.
Ye sha ase wo ayi mensa tobuth wona na ya born yes ya dia afro be pono na we dia kowie e wo the lodge town
dan mfifire beti
ya Mr. Hayford
ahusiesie ni hapa
oba siesie ho kakra
ne pe bi kakra she obotom because ye wie ni afro soro ne ekudu sport ona ye mpese obegirigina ho awewe obi
na ankoye se akoye ya na anu ada odi ye chi ni ekodi ye fufuo ya
ye mpese ebe se we se oh braid and insect ya den dabi unnim se na
ena edi asem bia bana ye ntu chama charity ben
charity ben
yes for no bebre ho se chi ndi pa obi wa ni birthday o de be kwan san so no kra enye se bia o munya ibi kakra bi ba charity ben o ya no so kwaku mi birthday nti we de mo launch kakra de enti wa ya de party charity happy birthday do belated I hope say nra bibia ko ye ma
top test be tilapia
oma boys lunch emu ye de kama pa na bia wa ya de nyame sha
divine esiedu papa ye CEO so no so tie show ipa otonkra se opese oron lunch ba ko na edema crew no na pese me hunda munyina mo ye okay se dedu ana ya na we fasting ya me pese ba bisi abawe se fasting
okay
ati ase tie ma me hu
na mai o se sei o so no so ma ni
o so kan
eduane ba de o kan ho
o se bon kam
na league ya ye boy na be kan se eyehu na eyehu ba
fidi du
no ayi bebia ni go stars for yi eno kumfa mo kota kwa omne me diema ko bo 1-1 no no bia nim senka me diema first match say
from
ayi bechemfo nchi om hia om 4-0 etina enkofo nim so om ye om se om ko wo covid pande na so om afiefie
pande no wa ana say no wa emreka
ni na wo twetwem tienno aso e
omo 3 years why still adoni
tienno aso still apane na ama ya
adoni bi adoni
tinyanche
ya mo basa
players kuta me diema nyankola players but ama ye hu se no bebi ani for no omani eden omdi mujahye na nyame ya Adom so em se Friday ene omo match me bo
Friday
omo change date
David Friday
omani asante match so se mi ani bre colleague ni se bebi eke kako uye list obi ahye wagu ani mu asem uye list obi a obo league ni bi ani abre and unso omuso no say gold mine be na wo sa 18 won
takwa mines
almost sponsor mo kaka yes I'm top bass mo no yes and yes mo kakra so
almost
and na I say when was your chiba anti
yes na be kenti come ne won
but advantage e o mo makrobia na say o mo coach ni no tactics say no krobia Michael say nti yenim na kwamwa nyina
masa eto dai etimiti fa so o ye tra ho
yenim na kwamwa e be fa so ne yetuatua
obani ya fie ne adua na bebo na me pa cho ye wo amekita we ne wa hase
na atwork ni player na de na wa sorry ana
na so
ye ne fu ana nim da
na so ye be man haso program unye be man
anya mo player tete
me
kwa ku bi fu aho
normal.
Your friend, a company Mensing Gold Mines.
And yet, you play it,
idea no. Yeah, Mensing Gold Mines.
Popular stand in there 20 Ghana cedis. Popular stand 20 Ghana.
Not 20 Ghana cedis.
20 Ghana cedis.
Popular.
Central line you 30 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Lower VIP you 50.
No.
And upper VIP no air wings no 100 Ghana cedis.
And the baby bros is here.
Sunday and Saturday.
The batch Sunday 14th November. I just plan to do birthday.
I'm going to be an annual. Go on Bobby 3 on Bobby 6.
Wait.
Oh, birthday Monday.
Where 3 p.m. 3 p.m. to be looking at say Beko for like
Sunday Meko Park.
Yeah, to be a house of me. I can cry but to my poma Beko.
Oh, birthday Monday.
Monday.
Okay.
It's a no one some
vampire name for you.
And I'm penny phone say.
I'm here mechanic.
The Kotoko year now and warm you bet me
oh yes, nice initiative.
Right? 25%. Until we so cost stadium and pampa. Now 25 na aswa. Send says cano a my house for send a Kotoko for the emperor number be fun to drop. Some of us we will send the money now.
I'm used to go now number now.
Oh, be
go for more takuska.
Asakomo. Kakutiano asabno. Kwakuna meka aye meeting of
so ya na kofino. O se bi se mu.
Aye IGP say on otonensa afre aye omo aye entertainment industry ni mu. So mu nyina amra aye
dia na aye no. Aye do so do.
Aye
tibinya aye ne ka.
Ndude aye.
Me ba cho IGP. Atonsa.
Yeah, afre
stakeholders I want entertainment industry. Say aye dey binya. Why are you here? Now, when you want now, I'm on your bye bye.
Yeah,
on your own Yamoya or bet you.
And the owner can say on your yes, see, meeting a cost one from Jenny. The man with the green hair. The way I said, what Pierre one thing. I want to turn in sun, water turn at night, I will soon tea. Now,
is your jail experience.
Yeah, they grew up on TV than idea. No,
why is on football game? Yes,
what trap began Cacraun's Ratupan. And so much saying I have to pan.
Okay,
yeah, Candabungo man. In the
I will.
I'm Munanga. Now, to say you be 40, but back you be 40.
Oi. Into
Paku, yes, that meteor voice kakra no ya. Saturday chair say obia meeting yaka chom say mo obia intermediate for kwa mo obia ngura dem wo. We are central near Jabontin. He share entertainment for kwa. Enti yaka chom say ma obia en video. Proceedings na e koso. Na Saturday chair say obia uniform artist here was medical uniform. Unfortunately geneka obia uniform.
If you are say they will travel buso. If you got to get what is what day.
You go. Yeah.
We been was saying
pardon better than your vampire why Mr.
They go soon in video.
And then they are not the family.
I just like a uniform, be a uniform. Saturday just on no uniform for the police back by say on the phone in the bottom. And I was a Saturday or you I be on Pocrani Jai. Life in Yasa Hoya dear was at a wall Jai.
On Tijai.
To the buff here. I'm on the Casa police in him. So Emma Jim for Patrick say young chick at all if I go see kakra and I want to patch out say okoba young
maybe since I've watched boom with your boom
and then a boom the end and
Jim FM.
and I just said did I hear tata
Kwaku enti no Saturday say onim yenti obi a uniform no nko akọ uniform dia
there be o na my me phone na me record the proceedings now where you there now there who record o
there be where dem so record
there be now if you anti police no if someone is recording so can they tell
you mean say enwere any santomago
there be ade bi won so amen yen ko
jiju so any your son takrache
yeah
ade bi wa amen yen ko yi anim ade yesise ya mu na mo so yo
ndi so be sa chena na
there be where
so omo chene yen so be sa chene
say e pa chom ye jan
na me ken
omo chene ho
IGP papa na IGP tell say there
ono akra kokoto pa chew enye say yesan ka so onye obi na share ono
ono papa ne oya dan pare be obemana su
enti
hwe
ono akokoto pa chew
but me gidi say eto da bia aya na atese enya abotre da bia ndano betra kan fame ho asem
man di duty mu
so nya fame na o ma fame ni duty mu a wan hwe ya na me dey Kelly example say even though enya mo fame was nko na ye bone but ni fame no so boa no mani ye ne ma bone bia ene wonya ho sunsanso I like this record the rest of his life he spent it in jail. This is the time I say go try the back on a brown boys ka wonya ye or kan graphic
na bi o hombo
akwakoda. But this is the time I go to jail. Timesre one more magidin a ye bom din a etene no.
Ze wana tu no fishata
na. Na Saturday also ma me tu no ba.
No watra futu. Watra peto.
It was a meeting. It was a very nice meeting. But when you say the Saturday, that is what is trending. A Saturday meeting.
Now say that is what is known for.
Definitely. Are you getting my point? Yes. This all important meeting, this small 10 minutes here. Was Saturday to the friends at Awali.
Some papa dey waka chiro o say o ye bia ye ba be chiro.
Because say see our Google na kobo IGP meet celebrities. Satawali dey pen be pie. Was Saturday meeting na. To tell the bia sanya manema na ya ntwe ho fi.
Ne krakra ni say.
Ne krakra say kan dey.
Okay.
My copy them
na story we uma mfama fa so adwo.
The story.
Because a brother man here can work with here has voice and they say I will send a message. Mamma said the money boy number.
I don't think Ajako put me na so ka.
Obi so atwo obi
Ajako no. There be na fine.
Ajako.
Ajako no.
Ala so ma bufu sa.
Ubufu announce say
somebody issue no. It makes me angry.
Abotre. Mandi mu.
Abani uko PSG e ma team na. Unse bibire manum say ya te se kwa me wo ho na me ni no team na me pen position abo a. Ebia me malam na me ne be kasa. Sa ko e wo gigi me. Ntimani nti kokonu ana say won petri won sanse na ne nan fichire. We dey Abawa yesi a friend no Aminata Diallo. We midfielder.
We African no.
Me sure we are omo a.
Yes.
Oh, there be say unze omo free Francophone countries no Africa no more na no nya kuku.
Senegal no be free, Senegal na Mali.
French ni crowd.
No be free.
And na yeso oni ni teammate a friend no Keira Hamri.
Oni we broni.
Yes. Na say Keira no Utu se ne ho hapa intimate for no waje wabozu sister enche de nya bi mo papa na senka ofie bia nka obeyisu nyankoma de na odi ape bia mana bata e ho nem so oya ya wa nya malam bia e no pe boys bi se onpa mask na onko sister na sintiatia na poso na na feature na ina e feature pe na oka fie pe onya injury ono benya
omo call party
omo benya sa
organize party after party no na omo nyina sa move ko another place
yes
it say no obi ahye ho say omo ma chire no ba chire frika nim no ba pa no de ade forso passenger side no mu yiga ni pie ye ena ne nan na de bobo no no mo de na de bobo ne nan ni
esi ababa woni frigeni Diallo
eto omo bo no sa ba ni fa hwe ho say no say akochele kura
oh ya chele na ka me bekan ya chele say na make so omo bo chire hwe anu say position na sister pani aba beje no
ha no
ena ore a ohun se no ntimi
sa ne manema we no
na ko be plan fa no ho adi
unim say
oh yes
so na Ghana ha kura nko mo pass out ko no abekọ papa no ho ama papa ne de akoro na no abum nti otishi agobama na bu
wo kira akoko wa fichire wa na wabum se kura wona wa na no tikeka
ena no Kumasi Sports Stadium na ayi Kotokos boys ya omunya boy America ayi akobi drodo we ya o ma babo from ho ha mbo boys ano malik nya o mo be mo no mshisha sisi ya bo to no dimi nko
but when him say a asem ya ye kan we na ya ma brofo no so yo mo say before adwinbo no won ti adwinbo no ti ebi no how can you do this
abrochase o ka say
omo ano ma ko say we o da bi but on ade bi wa
abrochase no before na akose ho na say first kwabra ni timi je kwabra ne ka no o de aba
first ya made we won na brofo no tugu
no baby
tugu do fe se Ghana from tugu na Ghana from akọ echim I'm so wow can't be chin no say dem montwen she say bail by made bail we be coast on made bail oburu na kata pato
na say omo ayinko a gizzard nko a ne apake no
abonten kwayi enenye de aye condemn pa o be kono no be kuta no
ono aka say
o de ko ba bia Ghana for na o bototo sa ne man de ba
ne be ho ayen ne say no
ko bia kwa ba
yeja
abe try na osresres ye comedy na osre
go Britain
over steady na Kobi
friend no
o de fanisuwa na wo se ene ede na eko
yo mabaya oyechia
okay
na mbasra wona na
ene ezo wa chewi kwa
da binchemi yo mama ba fanya ba
ba nje anka o gira ya achi
o mne se baba habia no chede bibiri besi brajari amina wo yen program no asana sibio
ensoma asem na kan
ensoma asem na America I mean charge
kasagu mic no
season 1 yenya Brian Van Dijk season 2 Victor Chumampofo season 3 Kumasi Showboy and also from Richmond Boys Abranti. Sisi akonya
pede. Guy pa.
Also eba season 4 champion. Ti pede ka Ghana fu nyina aswarfo schools. Won hwe wonyim there bi no ho a wo talent, mo fam bi ho talent. Say Afraba ending bro 13 years you have the chance. Won for number audition. Or your audition so to go through abaka Nsoma season 4 competition no. Now one you most of from me what say nti yepede ye mo bia akonya de or your weekend nti on your time we go school na kada or your weekend or Saturday and Sunday this weekend ye go Kumasi ye wo True Vine Hotel where 13th and 14th November ya True Vine Hotel 8 a.m. sharp no we do ho I have from ending bro 13 years we are welcome let's say enyimde to be entertainer bra na be kire obobre okay if you also yebokota krade on the next weekend no you're talking about 20th and 21st on Melody Hotel or your opposite STC yard pepe obi ambra na say enyimnyum to a be kire mo se botum I shake if you are the next weekend you're 27th and 28th you ba Accra on our Mikado Conference Center or Nyaniba Estate or Laboni Junction
former Kama
Conference Center Mikado Conference eba ho anapa 8 o'clock na aba enyimnyum to na say etum ejuhuza brabe audition na for nka yo yakonya bia ye mamoframa wo be yakese nti say ebotuma ya bra na be ye bi na so ebe shine na ye Nsoma season 4 champion na be ya mass na anyin na most man na bombard them na moye matete e bomb no fi ade kwame ni bomb ya but before then Mamanka hello to brother Milton Keynes he doesn't miss your show from Augustine Eshen Milton Keynes he doesn't miss the show it's Augustine it's ya Kobra no kese
na 3 regions ipe na
okay what's in there you nyanche boko every region say all the city region but one the mandama binti ya che Ghana
omomo
nothing
sector na ombra
o bunu ho ba bi na say you be share Kumasi Kumasi
omo kasa they know
say Kumasi so the ehwe na ebutum abata krade a o no wan kasa line
you okra na person fa kwanya su bankran so a
ba Kumasi na ma amfami a mitimi sa to chim eno de wan kasa line betimi aba
obu a amfo ha no abana nkran
wo ha no na bia kumase fo no modem no wo suru pi so ti ase nti oba ha na
obi wo kwa na that day na oba na se ene man yi ba ene na no fo mo na afum nyi obi wa na dey timi yes a wanya good day nti esa na wo da akosha
example ya mo yeka
obani ade ana wo kire me no em se freche mensa I explain you Facebook.
Which one? Has issue no.
Shatter issue no. Omo say abra omo ko duru ho no. Omo ya announcement before say meeting be started but unfortunately no Shatter ne Stone Boy ebe mu late. It on by no my yes announcement na wie dada. Eti ono nti ho no ote Shatter kra echi no hu so record na police ni confront na ko fa but omo ne ko abonti omo chichi mu na oba e no be patch say he didn't know. So that's explanation.
Invitation and that's the competition.
But also before some best starting meeting no man now so say we are recording bia by that time no na Shatter Stone Boy no for no mo mai enti yes echi na omo de ni pia bonti na omo chechi mu a
na me ni kwan so police ni for so confront ye nua no police for na to da bia they say bia ni
aduma no ye professional police no dey wan yan fom so bia e ho no dey
because police ni bi ko kwa ba for so
but not on this occasion yes sir we are saying no generalize ade dey but a honor dey a honor dey when for share
committee 25 B the for 25 peace B
anya B peace B
eh Bernardo Nyako
honor
o say we bie your friend is
I know they
pa honor
Ọtún safẹ àwọn tún dan tún safẹ.
Ẹnu ní ẹsẹ ọdún náà ń chẹ́nchẹ́n.
Na bàbí adé ní nam na ẹnam ẹnam.
Bọ́dà bẹ dúró ní àpò ọ̀fọ̀ mi
bí wọ́n ti wọ́n yà mí ẹ̀kọ́.
Ìbàtí ní òbí ẹni mọ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ dàkọ̀.
Mídìí mi ni mo ti.
Wọ́n sì ẹ̀fẹ́ ní Supreme frozen food.
Tó dẹ̀ ntí yẹ.
Ètí dàbẹ́ na òde ẹ̀bẹ̀ kọ̀ wá dà.
Àná ibà tí ẹ̀bẹ̀ dà kọ̀.
Wọ́n sì ẹ̀mìrà o.
Ètí wọ́n sì ẹ̀mìrà dà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Wọ́n ṣẹ̀ dá. Àná ọ̀kan ní tra.
Wọ́n náà ó ní mu hɔ.
Asɛm a mene ne kan onipa no yɛkɔ sɛsi a no ni wɛ so ɛ ɛnti ɔse ɛmmerɛ da bɛn
wode abotrɛ sɛ wode ɔtetɛma nti wode ahyia no hɔ ɛkyerɛ woba no ahyia no
ɔpɛ sɛ wohu time a mombɛtumi akɔ
mede tama mede
ɛno ano no
ɛnwunu agye wo kaa nim
menyɛ saa adwuma
menyɛ saa adwuma ne boɔ de nti yɛtu akɔ hɔ ne ɛsɛ woba prɛko deɛ sɛ na
katekɔ no tama awɔ yɛnhyɛ da nya so fa so bi ɛnkyɛ bɛyɛ hwɛ na gye nam
sɛ bɔ ama deɛ a menya gye pa ane Mrs. Azuse ofri ya kese bebre ho me di kogu onu mayi awe ni kakra
so ye se dia kwade liso kojo fojo nu mbie no ma me se konkoche odi gu e ka to bae no odi ko ni vie
it is Supreme frozen food ye beko
ma na me koje dia asa
obeni pepeta me ye nko na
asa mo pepeta
se ko peta oni o
we
sisi ade me enjoy
we odi
ma ku bi ta me so na me so sa akwa no kofa again na oso ko dware aba oba say na again na da ye ko wonya so ja kupita
wada
ai na kwa afa so ada me nyuse wo ka be nyane na to aso ana na da na me ye ko abi so ma tie for re
ne girl no ana oba say na again no
exercise no ya na se
ofa no be mu na nye kra o
we dey say
e ti je ko fa to ma
hu nya mpo so hu nya so da ma na
David tie kwaku gere we no na sifi owom we
we see da idie
we udidi hu ani a
we dey manu ataba
ena we na
na agwa na nyi na nya adwuma we uze bi sasa ede
na we dey ukonya na ko
me ba
onya no onro ana se o ma
ni fu am from Facebook
na me right Dabi otie we no uko
unya so de na eni kwa so ma ni bufu ansa no
Dabi
we boko
okowia
se we sa no na unya Meka story bi acho hayo ko
we say ko ya dana wo na wa nya
story bi acho
we nya nane wo person dana wo ba wa nya nane
be onya ga like so ba kakra sa
gena mama kai ma sem pa
abe ro no oba e say na gena da ho
eno me nya no ma ne na nwie
gena mama kai ma sem
ro na ya onkwa na ko ro
Meka story bi acho wa
ya na me dey uza me pemo do okran
oh that me kan sa me tin kan
me ka say mic ni film na
unim osafo to asum na no aka ho ase na wada no
etie for me ba sisi a me ba sisi a
When we say Anya police in Yadro, Imbusaba Mesa, Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, any offense back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Drodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buy every home. And now Ompa, Omwan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratu, Maja to Musay.
Samisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de missing. And mommy confidence, the morning in her.
Se wishia amana misifit gusuna mesrea. Eya wawa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. And if you trim missing or body any pie, will be diamuno. And yet, ya Kel Chaco toothpaste. A boy say who buy a free mwawa, a boy simu to crow. A sea share and ye lumunka. Sure say, amani Kel Chaco toothpaste in Sunny. Yet a center for
media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Mishuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma mesin ye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na mesin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania mamenum di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E mana hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Adi, Jodian Kato Yatumo.
Hey, you're my PA. Young as me,
hey, my young Cotus Canton, and Tassasia, Thomas Mujo, Cowilet properties. What don't know? It is 7,500, 15,000 per. Even as a comma, Equatema, come to 24 next hole, and Apollonia. I wouldn't know what to trust us. Who was as I want to chat on 7,500. What am I saying? Shy Hills, or Chebre Quab and Apollonia. One head office in ye, I share what to look here. Medina so, Yanin Nisi Pharmacy opposite, Kaswa, your Crimson City, what to turn us as well, Afenia, Esichari, Chopoli, on it the winya.
Red properties, Ahaya, Nametomasa.
Farulik Properties 0244 756984 and 020 230 9996. Willie Properties, where genuine lands are sold.
Samisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de missing. And mommy confidence, the morning in her.
Se wishia amana misifit gusuna mesrea. Eya wawa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. And if you trim missing or body any pie, will be diamuno. And yet, ya Kel Chaco toothpaste. A boy say who buy a free mwawa, a boy simu to crow. A sea share and ye lumunka. Sure say, amani Kel Chaco toothpaste in Sunny. Yet a center for
media magic Kel Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Mishuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma mesin ye fita. Confidence level kwaso etibinama. Na mesin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania mamenum di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu. Bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E mana hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kel, happy smile.
FDA, Adi, Jodian Kato Yatumo.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic Natural Mineral Water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
Honey. It's office sa unko na wonim Aquataps Food Safe ana. Salad ni nuaba wodi ne de bia no. Aquatap Food Safe. na medo ho. Asa na wedi o.
Omo san so Aquatabs water purification tablets. Omo a omo de ebulu mu nsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, ene nsuo a ehwo nte e de ye wonda da adwuma a emfa ohaw bia embre. Osan kwada yi so mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquatabs surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehwo te. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Ene fiefie mu Aquatabs abama mo se ebejen etufon free Health Top Up Services Limited. Ewo 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquatabs wo pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets. FDA aji edwedi nkratu yi atum.
Some are born lucky, some are born happy, some are born rich, some are born cool, some are born confident. But Charlie, nobody was born like you. Just be yourself, do what you love to do, and you could win big in the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. Just text, browse, and score points to win cash, brand new mobile phones, airports, shopping vouchers, and more. Use the Pulse app or dial *567# to mash up and get more promo points to win these amazing rewards. Terms and conditions apply. Go be yourself everywhere you go.
Eja kono jama die bi. Eso eye tuntun enimu no nso ye bozin. Eye die ya. Black Friday. Aha. Afi Samsung ama baby e wankasa. Ye che voucher ne bosom 600 Ghana cedis. Wo Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 bia beto so. Ye ma discount ni achede bebre wo Samsung Galaxy A22, A12, A03s and A02 bia beto so. Nyoma ne die bebre na ne bon so da form. Every 8 cause 30th November. Cause Samsung shop bia ya jatum na kwache wo Black Friday deal. Ye to deal snap it be bia Black Friday we. Me say, bosum we die baby e and she shake a crown home.
Say donut, 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 donut. Hey, donut, 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 donut. Donut, donut. Then come cut donut, donut, donut. Malaria super donut. Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till donut now. Won't malaria too. Won't popo. What when the day? I want the donut. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yen shishemu hu se malaria wa wumojam ansa na wanum Lonat. Na nam yen search na malaria no da so wo ho a ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Senka betmate so bi biara. Anka wine na be.
Sa wo betumi akọ baby biara wo pe a wonya ankonam atenka kwantempon sai na wo betwa.
So wa kade a ebeboa ma wo da yeso no abamu a emre ben na obehya ase.
Se aso bia betumi ate wo ne a wine na obehya ne nkran.
So wo sike betumi to anamon tentem so edo akire chen ya wankasa betumi a ehe na wo de beko.
Sa wo betumi aka atesem ewo kasa ahodo bia mu a emu ne ehe na wo beka.
Se bibiara ensi wo kwan na obiara tawachi na manse nyina de ni je twenwa
won kwa menko
woni yentu anamon yimbomu everywhere you go.
November Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sale. Abba ameje de ayasron kokra.
Yenti na sasa wo twen ko se bosume wieye. Ansa no wonya sa akwanya yi. Wo mra Malcolm the Black Friday everyday sales rema wo de biara. Wonya sa akwanya yi wo be biara o.
Di Jawa Malcolm online. Anasa Bora Malcolm enkrabata bia. Nefa wo hye sa Malcolm Black Friday everyday sale. Shunku yi mu.
Masa akwanya yi empa ho. Malcolm Black Friday everyday sales. It's simply unbeatable. Terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shop.
Hey, bro, coffee winnie. Now what
say hey na no me bofo wo soap nim and ma foforo na ade ahye mu ma say to when di lotana
Akole me hinta so me Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans.
Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans ento betumi aboa me mama nya bosia bua madwuma yi mu
Ani
mensie sika wo hoi wo betumi aboa me
Oni how gra advance hwe ne sanso na bosia to nema gu shop mu ana wato mfidi foforo ana wo de akoyi oniama wakra ba enye den kra wadwuma nkonto gina advance aha wotie wo bo menkaye won saka deposit dia me fa momo account no so akogu wo mobile banking service ni mu enti wetumi sika sem tutu nyina efi mobile phone so abribiara
wow Matia Samdapa na bro Kofi mende hu advance foi
Call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Dionu ewa omaya fana bebia for toll free 0800 355 355 ana anyone in kita ho wo abefo efidient and tankasi ne so www.advancedghana.com Advanced Ghana ya ne wo nyini bom
Iron Mama Bedru, Anuanum, Iron Mamoja, Iron Ye Adriani Dra, and Ma Wading, Bibi why a friend of iron deficiency anemia.
I don't see it.
And Chano Wabre, no one is reaching Abia iron deficiency anemia.
Yampa, millionaires, iron deficiency anemia. Hatiti and ma won't travel. Name of our one in Fienu. A to me say one addition, no one upon dino dem.
Pepe. That's when so I know Brian den cry. Dinia iron womb to say contumre abedro esiomunam ayoyo kosia
anka enso vitamin C nuanimra ebuabubu iron ma moja to me di yejuma.
Dinia iron ashemuma ni nuane a yeheda de iron egumu yi. Bisa wa pom jemboa fo nsema efa iron ho. Live strong with iron campaign and a disanka to yi brewo.
Ahoden die eno ane iron nuane.
Take a break from life and chores to relax and rehydrate. Freshen up throughout your day with the refreshing goodness of Voltic natural mineral water, sourced from the heart of Ghana for true and safe refreshment.
Voltic, naturally, a product of the Coca-Cola Company. This advert is FDA approved.
All SIM cards in Ghana must be registered again with only the Ghana card. Yes, only the Ghana card.
You will not be able to make voice calls, use mobile money services, internet, and all other services linked to your SIM card if you don't.
To register, dial *404# and follow the prompts. You will be required to send the following details on your Ghana card: Ghana card number, surname, first name, date of birth, and sex.
You will then receive a special code which you will present to your nearest service provider agent or customer care center for your biometric details to be captured. Remember to add your digital address.
Dial *404# on your phone to start registering your SIM card today.
For more information, contact your service provider on 100 or the National Communications Authority on toll-free number 0800 110622. Register your SIM card to stay connected.
All right, so we are back. UTA 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. We Ofie Kwanso na. About for a while. Our munyana I say omo trainer omo tie story no. No krenye the omune say. Story no. Me say mepe da papa bi at the right time. Na ma share with you. Na ye nyina ye mfa ntu ye hofo. Eye me personal asempa na me ka asem ne kire boys no studio ha no. Omu nyina obi omo amoa eye serious. Aya me tai kan sem bi pa wo atatie me say nyame hwe oso no ama ho ama sem bi e said oda nyame ase because ade bi ade obi akopie afiase ana ade bi ama obi anya abanyama ne ade bi ama obi eda ayarempa so ana ade bi kura aku obi no wo why worse than that but adom ninti you are still surviving ehu ye eti me to me boas na maron na idea to your home but enye sisia at the right time measure the information about it and then I'll share with you. Happy birthday to my mother Emilia Chocho Boche, aka I am 16. Wow, she's 78 years old today. What a blessing. May she live to be 106 plus 3. And then a happy birthday also going out to my auntie Nora Fofo Boche, who is also 70 years old today. We want to bless God for your life. May you also live to be 106 plus 3. From me, Naku, the winner. Nice one. Your first dama will let properties or say wow pass asase asase for wouldn't so grab 4,000 and no bet me anya asase ato chokoli airport city and afi esutrai junction ho na oh yes e be run asase kama ho ukra 6,000 bet me anya asase odowenya o si hey ayikuma ukra 10,000 benya asase Apollonia pram now will let properties e won asase o de ntia price number form ne say currently you're running special discount sale just when you're a Christmas promotion theater so a special discount sale if you celebrate the end of December 2021 yes I want installment payment plan yeah free site visit any free documents my trust as you as I can say 2 years ago in a home crata sema debi Bri office is here yeah wo a shaman Timber Market Roundabout on the Michelle Camp Road yeah Bank of Africa phrase 0244 756 984 and of 0243 740 485 na yen viable come pa Airtel Tigo misu promo nugu so koso. It is raining cash all over Ghana baby abefebia cash is say flow any every hour, every day, every week, every month. Grand cash prize nankasani 100,000 Ghana cedis. Tiano abomodia ashen so sa ede amaye. Yes so ya so be dial star 500 hash. That's star 500 hash. Now what follow prompt no afi with them na or recharge it with AF5 cedis or more or building more points. Now face so crano Airtel to go money or your transactions more now build the points. I feel so data bundle what now use now build the points more. And I in daily SMS trivia no bit me don't wash him behind some simple questions. It costs only 30 pesos per then also unya more points. Tianyan say ya na yetiminika shibi. Carnation so say we near only one number penny they contact you 0260 000-100. Any other number bia ebe from pass we need via patro is come. Airtel to go. Life is simple. Kel charcoal toothpaste. A person papa. Ya unya bi. Edi choose ya. Not just we be. Bidie ya charcoal ya near the around the kama. Unya. Good fresh breath. Whiter teeth. A preventive cavity. Na face so ama oseno are very strong and healthy all the time. Stains be a was in Subiano. A beko. FDI Mushimuaja to say, yeah, if it's Samara Company Limited, they are available. Our shops in supermarkets are who don't need Kel charcoal toothpaste. Happy smile. As they do your farmer Casa Preco Company Limited and they promotion chenche promotion say go in wako fadiaba or say bra na Christmas what me adi nintem better Casa Preco product how do ni na drinks bia ope bia asoto kikambom nendu 1,000 na yama 100 packs free not just 1,000 packs no waje 100 packs free just like that our hobby any actually eti na we the kopim the 31st of December 2021 now on sweat me Adom Ajimbi any of our accredited key distributors across Ghana alcohol promo ejim den oba Casa Preco depo how do ni na say across Spenters tema there be I tell you tema Spenters road na afei bo room Kumasi so ejinam no e wota no so Techima so ejinam ho tamale ho nyina promotion e koso e ho enya san so ebetimi a deliver their bro Yes, to your doorstep. And also, my friend, free delivery 050 162 074 and after 050 156 2072. Terms and conditions account. Tiano Ashen so. Now be at Miakoye. Casa Preco Company Limited. A step beyond excellence. Go TV. Set connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis. Wabra is my Go TV app. What me out witnessing football action, papa, and they enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Premier League, any other leagues. Pina, Aka, Enina. Go TV. Love it. As they do, young farmer in boost herbal mixture, aka police in the drone, papa. Yeah, no so a boy ye. Na what me agina now so immune system no ba bed and then yare bi anti me ya chen so e ba ya way na eno akele no sharp e the amount King's Walk Herbal, Ekus Pharmacy, Wedama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all Tinatet and dependable herbal shops across the country. And I feel Health Alert Shop at St. John's. Or call Little George Health Shop or Tema Community 5 from Swa, Yijinamu. And yes, our friend agent do pa 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now ya sort of cool. And asemwa and no. Also, 106.3 Adom FM. Of course, Ghana's #1 radio station. Now, a happy birthday, though belated, Uncle Emma Elizabeth Nyako, Lizzie, reception desk, DVLA head office. I'm saying, we celebrate your birthday and Reggie 3 days ago, yeah. And Yami Osha na on home na on ton kwandem. Why? And keep being that good person that you are. From all of us, wishing you a happy birthday, though belated. My next song now, me bono. Ya na de try na sing kakra. Why? I don't you more de pa. That's what it is. Now, and what you know, we also say good afternoon, Jerry. A glorious happy birthday going out to our big sister, our mother, and our grandmother. Her name is Madame Salome Texan. Texan. Okay. Salome or Salom. Okay, God, there's Salome, no. The me, is different from this one. Anyway, so let's wish our big sister, our mother, and our grandmother a happy birthday. Madam Salom Texan. Na Aguna in Saba in the central region. Na message we echo ede amount. Mama Salu. The air can say, Nyame onko swana unsha greatly. Yes. We're wishing you many more years, long life, and above all, good health as well. What I say, all your children and your siblings, the only can say, the love is indeed very, very deep. Yeah. From Catherine Texan of Tema. Ono eton sankra we ede ebae. Right. Yabako anim na yede dwumadi no enkaye atoaso. Uso uti Adom 106.3 FM. I love this song. And indeed, I love it.
Mama ya koya ma
rap no there yo.
See me need it.
Nanim say me timi money we wa bra.
Don't ban sa na bia na yo mo na.
Me repeat.
Motana shia sa na koko dada be hwe me.
Eye King Promise part hono. Charlie, hono there yo. King Promise. O fana ya se few. Ya se few. Obede ubetimi abamu aye
do fuja me hono hono me huse ma me ya me dono wo beto me pana me dade ma me de ntoma fa me hokoda me ncha ka nwoma me bono ma me ya koye malumu dada dai ya lumu kasa sabo kana shia sana koko dada be hwe me gozongo laka se se me timi dedi obi friend ma me na me cheni bibi afi se da ya wo frame shweti ma me ya bo modin beda me chena me bleeding same say the tie sisi brother wo be kume se na me swati me pese ni bebia be hume minim se nya makoma ba wo yenti na me dia fa kila so me pese bia wo be fo me bra beda me chena na me pow chop
I see you,
Silly. Patrol shed date news so on the 27th of November. Ofie Kwanso Health Walk na the shisha from my imensa. I am born yes are from Mountain Akupimu Pediase. Na ya called the Lodge Tavern. Na attention pumu hoka crowd ya kahwa and tins. I socialize kakra. Go your pay ya check. Unya and download the MTN Ayoba na. The patrol download one and say neko. Social app papa more dead. A sword dead. Oh yeah. App way. You can chat, you can call, you can share, you can play, you can pay, you can listen to music. Oh, the mobile so. And you can send me send this through MTN Momo while you chat with your favorite vendors, family, and friends. And also get to catch up with all the latest trends on various channels. You can play games, listen to music, and do so much more, all in the comfort of one social app. Ayoba. It's a Patroko Google Play Store and an App Store, and download the Ayoba CCR. Let me enjoy a whole new way to communicate and have fun. Remember, Ayoba is available to all networks, but MTN users get to enjoy it at no data cost. So hurry now, download Ayoba. Ayoba, made in Africa for the world. And no one's the one. And a happy birthday in advance going out to Mr. Hayford and Ellen. The message here says, I love them both so much. And this one is coming in from Ajoa. Wishing Mr. Hayford and Ellen a happy birthday in advance. Obviously, it's going to be checkout time. Now, a jamboko, a dear menu, see a cast about 12 so. You know what I'm saying? But any dear call any dear Benin and say Vodafone Business. I introduce you a too much business at the number one mobile plan for SMEs in Ghana today. Now with Vodafone Too Much Business, you have the best mobile plan on the market. Yeah, no amount. Akwenya ma business no. Etimi enya the best value. That means you have the flexibility to choose voice, data, and then SMS packages that suit your business size and ambitions as well. So get more minutes for Vodafone to Vodafone calls, and then calls to other networks, as well as data and SMS in one complete mobile package. So now you can take your business to the next level with Vodafone Too Much Business. SMS start, that's START, to 05077790000, or send us an email, vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com. That's vodafonebusiness.gh@vodafone.com to sign up today. Vodafone, together we can. So wash it. Ladies and gentlemen, Kwabwa with Minji Mani. will bring us to check our time. Yes, time to bounce out of here and make way for the news at 6. It's been nice coming your way with a midweek's edition of your own show. Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Let's do it again same time tomorrow, God willing. That's between 3 and 6 p.m. Only on Adom 106.3 FM. Until then, many thanks to you. So J-Bre ATA. Now, Sedani being combat team, no, Papa Bills, African, to Jamestown, J. Cole.